Samsung NV60K3110BS is a high-performance electric built-in oven designed for those seeking both professional cooking results and modern aesthetics in their kitchen. Offering eco-friendly operation with its Class A energy efficiency, this model provides ample space for family-sized meals with its ideal 60-liter capacity. The fan-assisted convection system at the heart of the device ensures hot air is distributed evenly to every corner of the oven, guaranteeing food that is succulent on the inside and perfectly cooked on the outside, effectively eliminating cooking differences between trays. In terms of design, the retractable control dials add a minimalist elegance while creating a flat panel that makes cleaning extremely practical. The smooth enamel surface used in the interior and the smart design, featuring heating elements concealed behind the walls, allow grease splashes to be wiped away easily. The double-glazed door structure minimizes heat loss, while precise temperature control between 40 to 250 degrees Celsius and powerful grill functions give you complete mastery over every recipe.